Nack's Awesome World!
Welcome to Mr. Nack's Awesome World. Let's learn 10 action verbs in the deep blue sea. Mosasaurus, Mosasaurus, do you know the action verb? Swim, 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 swim. It's watch them swim in the ancient world.
Basilosaurus, Basilosaurus, do you know the action verb?
Dive, dive, dive it, dive it. Watch them dive in the ancient world. Tylosaurus, Tylosaurus, do you know the action verb? Breathe, 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 breathe it. Watch them breathe in the ancient world.
Pliosaurus, Pliosaurus, do you know the action verb?
Paddle, paddle, paddle.
Paddle it, paddle it.
Watch them daddle in the ancient world. Kronosaurus, Kronosaurus, do you know the action verb?
Splash, splash, splash it, splash it.
Watch them splash in the ancient world. Swim, dive, breathe,
Heave,
paddle,
splash.
fall.
Wow.
5 verbs already. Ready for 5 more. Let's meet the next ancient friends. Elasmosaurus, Elasmosaurus, do you know the action verb?
Spin, spin, spin it, spin it.
Watch them spin in the ancient world.
Parapuzosia, Parapuzosia, do you know the action verb? Hide, hide, hide it, hide it.
Watch them hide in the ancient world. Megalodon, Megalodon, do you know the action verb?
Jump, jump, jump it, jump it.
Watch them jump in the ancient world.
Archelon, Archelon, do you know the action verb? Float, float, float it, float it.
Watch them float in the ancient world. Shastasaurus, Shastasaurus, do you know the action verb?
Look, look, looking, looking.
Watch them look in the ancient world. Swim,
Dive,
breathe,
breathe,
paddle,
splash,
spin,
hide,
jump,
float,
float.
look.
Awesome action verbs. Let's do them again. Good job, everyone. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye. Hi.